birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're shining oh so bright.
She's the only girl in the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, SHANA Myers.
Burnout Nationals presents the Syracuse Nationals After Party at Estes Safety Drag Strip on Saturday, July 18th. $1,000 bikini contest, beer garden, $5,000 Australian-style burnout competition, VIP seating, meet and greet with the Burnout Nationals team. You know the night isn't over. Slide to the after party. Get your tickets now at burnoutnationals.com.